Well, I have travel safety on my mind because I just finished the most amazing staycation in Fountain Hills, Arizona. And it is not only beautiful here, but you do feel safe here. However, I still recommend several simple travel safety tips just so you can keep you and your family safe. So, a couple simple things is when you stay in a hotel or a resort or wherever you stay, there are little simple traveling security systems that you can get. For example, there is a foot pedal and it literally looks like a little door jamb. And when you stick that right up against your hotel door, if someone were to open it, it pushes down, it compresses on the foot pedal, and it will actually sound off a very loud alarm. And that very same foot pedal can be stuck to a window or a sliding glass door. So if it senses vibrations, it absolutely sounds off the alarm and it will typically deter the burglar or attacker away, right? The other thing is, yes, we get so excited about our vacations, but we still have to be just aware. I'm not calling for paranoia, but just aware. So when I went out to dinner last night by myself, I just had a simple cranberry and seltzer water, but I'm telling you that was within my sight at all times. I had random people talking to me, and when I would turn my head, there was somebody on the other side of me, right? So I just made sure I always pulled my drink with me, so I knew that nobody was spiking my drink. That is one of the most simple things, and I'm telling you that happens way more often than you'd think. So, and then lastly, just being aware of your surroundings in general. Obviously you're not familiar with your surroundings when you're on vacation. And so just being aware, eyes up, put your distractions away. That's what attackers are looking for in a victim, is that they're distracted. So just eyes up, confidence, looking them in the eyes and letting them know that you see them. So those are some very simple things. The last thing is keep your stuff off of social media until you get back. Please send your pictures and all that good stuff privately to people, but don't put it out on social media because then the attackers and burglars know that you're away from home. I just did a whole nother video on that. So anyways, I just had travel safety on the mind. I just had a very rejuvenating vacation. I hope you get those for yourself sometimes. And I love you.